Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we're diving deep into the Dyson AM08 fan, specifically focusing on the electronic circuit board. Let's start by gathering our tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter for testing, and a can of compressed air for cleaning. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit. First, begin by unplugging the fan from the wall to ensure safety while working. With your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the fan. There are usually 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Next, gently lift the cover off the fan. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open carefully. Be cautious not to damage the plastic casing. Once the cover is off, you'll see the circuit board. This is where most issues arise, such as burnt connections or loose wires. If you notice any dust or debris on the circuit board, use the compressed air to clean it gently. Dust can cause overheating and malfunctioning. Remember, keeping your fan clean is crucial for optimal performance. Now, let's inspect the connections on the circuit board. Check for any burnt or damaged components. If you find any, it may be best to replace the entire board. If you're unsure about the condition of the components, use your multimeter to test for continuity. This will help you determine whether a part is functioning properly. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this diagnosis, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This service can help you identify the issue without any commitment to repair. Once you've determined the status of the circuit board, it's time to reassemble the fan. Carefully place the cover back onto the fan and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened properly to avoid any rattling or movement during operation. Before plugging the fan back in, double-check that all connections are secure. This is essential for the safe operation of the fan. After confirming everything is in place, plug the fan back into the wall and power it on. Listen for any unusual sounds that could indicate a problem. If the fan is still not working after your repair attempts, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without leaving your house. This service ensures no calls, no travel, and a hassle-free experience. If repairs are needed, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. This transparency helps you make an informed decision without any surprises. In conclusion, maintaining your Dyson AM08 fan involves regular cleaning and occasional checks on the internal components. If you follow these steps, you can ensure your fan remains in good working condition for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.